Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G60s, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Firstly, access calendar by tapping on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. After that, tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the one that you wish to choose. Then you need to click on Dismiss if this pop-up shows up, and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting and ending hour, tap on add location, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. You can also change color and even take notes, or set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always edit it by tapping on it and clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then you need to make your changes and tap on save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select delete. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!